Hey everyone, I'm David from Hankat Industries. In today's episode we carry on working on our Mitsubishi 300 motorhome, making a patch panel for the floor on the passenger side. Finally cut out the seal and the step, fabricate a new seal panel, and also we're gonna remove the door and discover a lot more rust and rot. So stick around and have a look what we found. So I made up a template for the floor. That's what I have to replace. I already started cutting it. And I really hope it'll come up nicely. Get this whole thing off. We got this bad boy out, finally. As we worked on a seal, we got the rough curve and the length and the height. But I have to tack things in place, so I'm gonna make sure everything is lined up. Joint to the step now. It's still only tacked around. I'm only gonna weld up when I'm 100% sure it's everything lined up. Okay, so it's all tacked up. It's a little bit proud there. I'm gonna grind it back, but it's not urgent at the moment. It's all connected together. Ooh. Wow. of filler. Should I just get this out? Right, at least that's not in the way now. Just put it there for now. Just for a second. What I think I'm gonna do, cut the extra bit off from behind and start tack welding it. Plus it started raining. Made a mistake, but it's still in time. I was following the shape of the old step. In the fold, it was running inwards, but that strip gonna be welded in. Good job I found it in time, otherwise it wouldn't be a big pain to sort out the door skin, because the step would be way too far in for the door skin. Okay, so now you can see exactly what we got. Look at the filler.
Oh man! Oh God! Oh man! Oh God! Oh man! Oh God! Oh man! Oh God! Oh man!
Alright, so I got a feeling I should carry on with the A-pillar. Then I'm gonna copy what we got here, then just cut out everything. Because the other side, it wasn't too bad. It was nice and almost straightforward. But not this time. Not this time, unfortunately. Thank you very much for watching. That was it for today. Please don't forget to subscribe and check out the links about music, t-shirts or mugs. It's all in there. See you next time.
Oh man. Oh God. Oh man. Oh God. Oh man. Oh God. Oh man.